Hello guys, use of a Nokia C30. Open box, look, complementation. In complementation we have of course device in the green color. Okay. And all complementation, Type-C cable, adapter for charging. Okay, good. Device made of plastic, double camera on the backside, fingerprint scanner, speaker, micro USB port, power key, warm keys, okay, and headphones jack. We have two slots for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card. Okay, display 6.8 inch HD resolution. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have Spreadtrum SC9863 processor and GPU Power VR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look AnTuTu benchmark results. Close this. Run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Open Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load. Okay, game load. Works good. Okay, night. But game works good on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.